Hello students, this is Poonam Yadav as your English teacher and you all are welcomed here in online classes. Okay students, as you all know that we are discussing about chapter number 1, meeting Suzanne, and I have also explained some paragraphs from paragraph number 1 to 18. So today I will explain from paragraph 19. So students, before starting the explanation, I will tell you about the previous. I will revise previous paragraph and what happened in previous. Then start today's paragraph. In previous paragraph, we learned that Yannick, when after hearing the cry of his cousin sister Amandine, he feels so bad, and then Yannick decided to go and meet the painter. So in this paragraph we will see that how he goes to the painter's place and what happened. Then he meet to the painter. Okay, so let's start explanation. Next morning I did not go for my walk in the hills, but made my way down through the village towards the chateau. I waited till there was no one about. I climbed the gate easily enough and then ran down through the trees. Students, chateau is a place where painter lived. So next morning, अगली सुबह, I did not go for a walk. Yannick said that he did not go for a walk. वो walk के लिए नहीं गया, but he made his way through the village towards the chateau. उसने अपना रास्ता जो है विलेज से होते हुए chateau की तरफ किया. Towards means उसकी तरफ जो है chateau की तरफ means he did not go for a walk. He went through the village towards the chateau. He wants to meet with the painter, so he went to his place to the place chateau where he lived. So he went through the village and he waited there, but no one is there. वहाँ पे कोई था नहीं. उसने वेट किया and he climbed the gate easily. वहाँ जो है आसानी से गेट पे चढ़ गया and then he ran down through the trees. वहाँ जो है फिर वहाँ से जो है क्लाइंब करके जो है जंप करके और वहाँ जो है ट्रीज के थ्रू होते हुए जो है वो नीचे से भाग के जाता है. Then they are surrounded by the vast and threatening forest on all sides was the old man with very little hair who had come to the inn. And when he reached there, he saw that an old man who had visited the inn was sitting alone, surrounded by covered by the thick and vast big forest, and he was sitting alone on the steps of sunshine. He was sitting alone in the sunshine and making sketches, because he was painter, so he was doing his work of making sketches in the sunshine, surrounded by the thick forest and thick and big forest, and he has less hair. He has less hair. He is a old man. He was an old man without enough hair, and Yannick recognized that he is that person who had visited their inn. So I approached as silently as I could, but somehow I must have disturbed him. Student, approached means reached. So Yannick again said that I approached. He reached as silently. वह उतनी silently वहाँ पे पहुँचा, वो गया जितना कि वह कर सकता था, जितनी silently वह जा सकता था. He approached there. He reached there as silently as he could, and but he must have disturbed him. लेकिन फिर भी जो है उसने उन्हें disturb किया, because he was making the sketches alone, and he disturbed him when he reached, even he tried to reach there silently, but he must have disturbed him. And he looked up, shading his eyes against the sun. "Hello, young man," he said. And when the painter knew that the person is there, anyone is there, he asked. When he saw that a person is there, he looked up. उसने जो है ऊपर देखा, and he and shading his eyes. Shading his eyes means जो है we can't see the sun in the sunshine, so we take the help of our hand to shading the eyes. So he shading the eyes like this and against the sun, and said that "Hello, young man," to the Yanik. And now that I was this close to him, I could see he was indeed very old, but his eyes were young, bright, and searching. Now he was so close to the painter. Yanik was so close to the painter, and he could see that he was actually very old, and but he was old by his age, but his eyes were his eyes were young and full of brightness and searching anything. Searching anything means he want to say that he was so close to the painter, and he can say that he was old by age, but his eyes were young and full of brightness. So next paragraph. Are you Monsieur Cézanne, the famous painter? Monsieur. So in Monsieur means Mr. in French. In French language, we say Monsieur to the Mr. Mr के लिए हम French में Monsieur use करते हैं. तो are you Monsieur Cézanne, the famous painter? I asked. He seemed a little puzzled, so I went on. My mother says you are the greatest painter in the world. After asking the question from the painter, he replied. He started the conversation with the painter. He said that, "Are you Mr. Cézanne, the famous painter?" And when Yanik asked this question to painter, he was looking some puzzled. He looked some puzzled, and then he went on. Yanik asked another question. Yanik continued his conversation, and he again said that my mother says that you are the greatest painter in the world. So he smiled and then laughed. I think your mother is probably right. He said you clearly have a wise mother, but why did she let a young lad like you come wandering here on his own? Lad means boy. Lad means boy. So student, then again he said, the painter smiled and laughed. After hearing the conversation of Yanik, the painter smiled and laughed, and again he said that I think your mother is probably right. Your mother is तुम्हारी mother जो है शायद वो सही है, but and he said you have clearly a wise mother. एक जो है intelligent, wise means intelligent. You have a intelligent mother, but why उसने तुम्हें जो है you are a young boy, you are a small boy, and it is not a place to come a young boy alone. So if your mother is I am thinking that you have a wise mother, but why she let a young boy like you come wandering here on his own, alone. So he asked that why your mother let you to come alone here. Then I explained why I would come and what I wanted. He looked at me with furrowed brows and said, I remember you now from last night. Of course, I will draw another picture for Bruno. What would he like? No, better still, what would you like? I explained. Then, after asking the question why he came here alone from the painter, he replied to him that he explained everything which has happened and what he wants फ्रॉम द पेंटर साइड. तो उसने जो है सारी चीजें जो भी हैपन हुई थी, जो भी उसके साथ जो चीजें हुई एंड वो क्या चाहता था, व्हाट ही वांट्स, ही एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग टू द पेंटर. एंड आफ्टर हियरिंग ऑल द थिंग्स ही लुक्ड एट यानिक विथ फ्रॉड ब्रोज, मीन्स रिंकल ब्रोज शोइंग कंफ्यूजन, जो है अपने ब्रोज से अपनी भुआओं को सिकोड़ते हुए या फिर क्यूरियोसिटी किसी चीज के बारे में या कंफ्यूजन का एक्सप्रेशन देते हुए ही लुक्ड एट हिम एंड सेड, और उसने कहा आई रिमेम्बर यू फ्रॉम लास्ट नाइट, मतलब मैं तुम्हें जो है पिछली रात से ही याद कर रहा हूँ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स वास्तव में जो है मैं आई विल ड्रॉ अनदर पिक्चर फॉर ब्रूनो फॉर योर अंकल. एंड व्हाट वुड ही लाइक, वह क्या पसंद करेंगे, मतलब इफ आई वांट टू ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर फॉर योर अंकल ब्रूनो, देन व्हाट ही वुड लाइक, वह क्या पसंद करेंगे, व्हाट कैन आई ड्रॉ फॉर हिम. सो नो, देन अगेन ही सेड दैट नो, बेटर स्टिल, जो है इट इज बेटर दैट व्हाट वुड यू लाइक. वह उससे फिर पूछता है कि नहीं, मुझे ये बताओ कि तुम क्या पसंद करोगे, व्हाट कैन आई ड्रॉ फॉर यू. Okay, so student, it is enough for today. I will continue the explanation of this chapter in next video. Okay, so note down today's homework. Homework is there. Write some lines about Picasso, a famous painter. You can find out about the famous painter Picasso. So note down homework. Okay. Now thank you. Have a nice day.